Hey guys, so I want to show you how to work on a thing called LastPass. It's a super simple software for sharing passwords, and we want to be able to share them cleanly and easily with your clients. Now, your employees, maybe people that you want to share passwords with. For example, if someone's working a LinkedIn account for you, you want to give them a LinkedIn password, but you don't want them to know what the actual password is. It means if they leave, you can change the password, you can block them out. They don't have access to it. It also locks down the security, so you're not just emailing passwords that people could potentially phish you for. LastPass we love. You can actually use it for free. The pricing of it is super easy. So if we just go over to pricing, look at the personal plans, and the type of personal plan that you're going to want to have is the free plan. Why? Well, actually it allows you loads of different activities, but you can actually share the password still with one person, right? So you can share it with one person. So when you're working with, say, for example, a new marketing exec that's come into it and you're just working with that one person and this is the first time you're approaching this, just do that. It's great. If you have to upgrade, well, look, you can upgrade to one-to-many and it's only £2.60 a month. That's the one that I use because I have multiple people who are accessing my social media accounts, for example. So I like to give it to multiple people. But for you, just getting started, have a free account. It's super easy. Once you've got the free account, you want to download the Chrome extension. It gives you a lovely button like this. So you go, it will tell you how to do this, but if you go LastPass Chrome, it will give you the ability to download the Chrome extension. There you go, best Chrome password, etc. You just basically download it, happy days, right? Now, if I'm on an account like this, so for example, I want to share with them my Calendly password, right? First of all, you want to be able to upload Calendly into LastPass. So you'll have this button on here which says, let me just move myself across, otherwise you're not going to be able to see it. This will be a button. Now, if you haven't actually added your password in for Calendly yet, you would press this button here and you would go and add password. It would come up with a little filter like this. You can then put your username in, say it's your email address, and then you can go and put whatever password you want in like this, and you can edit it and change it. They'll also suggest different secure passwords for you. You do a different password for everything because it doesn't matter because you have the one password to log into LastPass. Then you have it sorted, right? And then you can have different folders and stuff for this. So it's brilliant for keeping your password sorted. But because I've already got Calendly and I've already got it loaded in, it will then look like this. And then if I want to go and share my Calendly password with someone securely, I can just press this, which will take me through to my vault. Your vault in LastPass is where everything's stored. And so you'll be able to see all of your lovely different passwords in here. Now, I will then say, well, I want to share this via email to one of my teams. So for you, you might just have the one member of the team. So if I'm going to share this with Flora, and then I can tick this box, allow recipients to view password. My tip to you is don't allow them to review passwords, just share it with them. Now, how does that work from their perspective? Well, they would also sign up for a free LastPass account. They would then download the LastPass Chrome extension. And when they've got that extension, they're using Chrome. When they go to Calendly, it will then autofill the password into Calendly, but it will disguise it from the person's, i.e., they won't be able to see the password that's been automatically filled in, but they will be able to access your Calendly. So it's a really lovely, secure way of making sure that, yes, you want these people to be able to access your social media to do work for you, but you don't want to give all your passwords away. And so this is a fantastic way of doing it. So jump into that. I hope that helps. Any further questions, please do let us know. Big love, take care, and enjoy going secure on your passwords.